Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. I hope you're doing great. We're going to talk about Bitcoin and XRP and should you sell your Bitcoin or trade it for XRP? The reason why I'm bringing this up, well, not only is there a story out of Yahoo Finance about this, but there's a lot of talk about XRP. The XRP army has been very excited watching XRP finally start taking off like a rocket ship. And I do believe in the future you're going to see it keep going. However, I have been saying get ready for a pullback. And since its highs of around, I don't know, what was it, $1.65 or something like that? It has been pulling back, but it's been pulling back in conjunction with the greater crypto market, including Bitcoin. Because anytime everyone gets really excited and overheated and the retail market moves in and they're very emotional, you see these big spikes and then pullbacks. They're totally healthy, right? Well, check out this story and let's talk about it because XRP has a lot to offer that Bitcoin doesn't. I know it's going to piss off a lot of maxis, but they might want to get some pads and sit back and watch this. The crypto market is heating up again with the fourth Bitcoin having 7 months in the rearview mirror and a crypto-friendly result in 2024 elections. The leading coins seem poised for another skyrocketing surge as of November 22. Bitcoin has gained 27% this month. Ethereum has posted a richer gain of 36% month. But the biggest names aren't always the best buys. The XRP token has soared 136% in November. Hey, how many of you bought XRP? Put it down below. Just hashtag XRP if you owned it or you bought it in the last year. There's so many people that learned about it from the crypto course, the Bitcoin 101 Accelerator, and the crypto trading course that have been emailing us like crazy saying, oh my gosh, thank you for these gains. But you have to remember, you always have to pull back a little bit. Just take your profits and enjoy your initial investment, especially when things double, right? That's just my advice. But I think that's pretty sound advice. You know, when something doubles, pull back your original investment because then you're playing with their money, right? But we are in the middle of a huge bull cycle. This is why I started talking. Oh, wait, hold on. I put the Black Friday sale to the crypto course down below with all my other courses. So if you look down there, there's a huge sale on the crypto course and the Bitcoin 101 Accelerator. If you've never owned crypto, I believe it is going to be the best money you've ever spent learning everything about the crypto market in one place, how to buy it, how to secure it, how to store it, how to trade, all that stuff. Okay, it's right down below. XRP has something that Bitcoin doesn't have. What does it have? Well, it has a full-time company developing it, a full-time company advertising it, a full massive company that's about to go public, by the way, that is advertising it and getting adoption not to the public, but to central banks and governments. That's a big deal. It's set up to run central bank digital currencies, and quite frankly, it can run current currencies on top of it. People don't talk about that. It can do bank transfers right now, lightning fast, super cheap. All right, so it's really important that people understand what's going on here. It's also being held back by the federal government because the SEC actually sued Ripple, okay? They have lost horribly. Ripple has been developing XRP into something even back in 2017, 2018, when it was the number 2 largest cryptocurrency by market cap. It flipped Ethereum so fast its head spun. But it came back down because it's getting attacked because governments and central banks know how powerful it is. The sad thing is, most of you do not. And that's okay. Most people just look at the price. Whereas for years, I've been accumulating it at low prices because I see its potential. And I think a lot of you do too. And it's important that we show more people what its potential is. None of this is advice, right? Trading advice. I'm just a dude with a bro hawk and a dream. But that dream is to become wealthy and to show other people how to become wealthy. Now it says here, why Bitcoin and Ethereum hold more value over time. This is good points. Generally, Bitcoin and Ethereum should have more value than XRP in the long run because, and this is the author, I'm going to tell you why I think it's wrong. Bitcoin aims to act as a general purpose system for storing monetary value. If you've ever pushed Bitcoin from one wallet to another and you've seen how much it costs you in comparison to other projects like XRP, and then see how long it takes to verify that transaction, you'd pick XRP all day long, right? Bitcoin and Ethereum have had to go through things like the Lightning Network and so many other upgrades just to try and get their speed up and their transaction costs down, where XRP is already there, okay? So really important to think about, just real world cases, and that should be what everyone thinks about, but they're enamored by other things, right? It says here, Ethereum was built to power automated financial systems and other software apps, which are the foundation of decentralized finance. All right, that's great. I've got Ethereum too. XRP's mission, though, is providing quick, low-cost payments across international borders is still ambitious and legitimate, but it can't compare to the larger visions of small contracts and full-fledged digital currencies. Well, let me share something that most people do not understand. Every single time, because a lot of people get so wound up about how much XRP is out there. It's all pre-mined, it's all out there. Boom, a ton of tokens. Well, actually, there's not a ton anymore. See, what happens is every day, every time XRP moves, right? You have to move XRP or use the functionality of the XRP ledger or blockchain to do something. You have to use XRP to do it, right? I'll give you an example. You go to Western Union, you say, hey, I want to send some money to my family across the US. And they go, okay, how much you want to send? $100. They go, okay, that'll be, let's say, $125. I'm just throwing out numbers. And you go, okay, so I'm going to have to pay, I'm going to give you the $100 to send, and then I'm going to hand you $25 to make the machine work. Because the machine, they put the $100 in their till, but there's this magical machine. I'm not trying to downplay it, but it goes, hey, the ninja wants to send $100 from California to New York. And New York goes, okay, copy. Did you get their $25? Did you get his $25? And they're like, yeah, we totally got it. And then they send over digitally the $100. And on the other side, my family member in New York goes, yeah, I get $100. And they go, well, we actually got to take a little bit of that $100. No, but Western Union, I don't think does that. But, you know, banks do that. They go, hey, incoming wiring fee, we got to take your money. They just want their money. So with XRP, I would sit there and I'd say, hey, I want to send XRP, but guess what? I don't need to go to Western Union. I can do it myself, or a bank can do it if I want the bank to do it. And I go send the $100 in XRP, and I'm all, how much is that going to cost? Oh, and in Western Union, it takes a while, right? XRP is going, well, how about today's rate? It's probably about 17 cents. Wow, that's incredible. I'll give you, but it's not 17 US cents, it's 17 US cents worth of XRP. Like, well, I need the XRP to actually send it. They go, yeah, okay. And bam, it's there in less than 3 seconds. And my family member can grab it right away. Oh, and there's no incoming fee. My family member doesn't need to cough up any XRP to get that $100 worth of XRP. Pretty amazing stuff, right? Well, out of that 17 cents, that transaction fee, a little bit of it gets destroyed forever. So you can see that even though there's a ton of it out there, banks and Ripple and governments know how humans think, and they can't see the big picture. And the big picture is that as adoption, every day there's a little bit of XRP being destroyed. It's never going to come back again, so there's less. And then as transactions increase, more are going to be burned, so there's less. Oh, and in the future, it's going to be less. And then, there's going to be less. You see, that's where it brings its value. So here's the thing. My main holdings are XRP. I've got Bitcoin, I've got Ethereum, I've got all kinds of stuff out there. But by and large, my XRP is probably 70% of my entire holdings. I know, it's crazy. Because for the last couple of years, nothing's happened. But I also don't put all my ducks or pebbles or whatever into one basket. See, I take the profits from other ventures in my life and I put them into my baskets of holdings. I'm not just holding them forever, because at a certain point you need to find a place to store your money. And that's where I put it, is in XRP. So I would check it out. I think it's a big deal. If this was a good explanation with the whole Western Union thing, let me know down below. I'll read the comments. And if you want the deal on the Crypto Trader Pro or the Bitcoin 101 Accelerator, so you go from no knowledge about cryptocurrency and you want to make an investment to where you know a lot, you have confidence of how to start an account and all that stuff, the Bitcoin 101 Accelerator is excellent. It's down there below in the Black Friday sales. I hope you guys got something out of this. The Economic Ninja is out.